Yeah, so hi guys, you're welcome back again. So hope you guys are good. Hope you're fine. Okay, so um, I'm sure most of you must have seen this site. Let me show you. I'm sure most of you must have seen this site. So what we just want to do today is the client requested for they want to start the uh, how would I put it? They want to start the external finishing, so they asked us to get the quantity of sand that we will need to fill the whole external area of the building. So that's what we want to do today. So we are doing a topographical survey of the whole external area. So I'm still going to take you around the building so that you can see everywhere, but that's what we want to do today. We want to do topographical survey that's going to show us the existing spot height of the whole external area, so that they will know the quantity of sand that they will be filling. So in reference to the 00 or to the ground floor level, so anyone they want us to do. So let's go guys. So I'll be taking you guys, let me show you around so that you can see how it looks like. So guys, let me show you around. So we are doing the whole external area of the sites. So to all this place, all these areas that you're seeing. So we'll be observing them. So we are picking all the existing ground floor level so that we can determine it and know the quantity of sand that will be required to fill the whole place. So, and the most surprising thing is, let's go to the instruments. I want to use resection method. Yeah, I want to be using resection method. I hope you guys understand that. So when I say resection method, what I mean is I'm going to be setting on unknown points. I'll be setting my instrument on unknown points, and I'll make reference to two known points, at least two known points to get my orientation done. So that's what I want to do today. That's why I need to call you guys' attention to it and do a video on it. I don't think I've done such before. So this is the first video on that. This is the first video that shows how to do a topographical survey with resection method. So that's why I'm doing the video. Okay guys, let me take you guys let me show you the whole area. You can see work is in progress. So I want to pick the whole existing ground floor level so that we can know the quantity of the sand that will be required to fill the whole place. So hope you guys can see. So let me show you the back view of the building. Show you the back view. So this is the security gates. So there's going to be an entrance at this spot. So we are picking all these places. So that's what we want to do, guys. So let's go. Let's get started. Let's go. So okay guys, so let's go. Okay, Mark, so okay, see, now you go do most of the work. See how I want to do it. So from that fence we go inside now. You will use that alignment, or you can even use this wood, this thing, the shop or the container, straight like this down to the fence. So now I'll be using it maybe like two pillars. That pillar way they in between. They use two. When you pick this one, you skip the next one. You pick that one, the next one. So you get. So once you pick it like this, you take your measurements. Then you come straight like this again. Take your measurements inside. Come straight. So now you go draw and make it straight, small. So you get. Yeah, I can't listen. Listen. Hey, come. Let's set this one first. Okay, guys. So let's get to work. Okay, so now let's open a new file. Let's open a new file. Okay, that will be escape. Okay, so let's the data collection. You know, we want to collect data. Yeah, so one. Let's create a new file. Enter list, then new. So what should we name it to? Let's just name it just Chris. HRIS. No. Yes. So it's okay like that. So press enter. So it's asking you to go to that file again. Please press enter. List. So it's there now. So what we now do is, you know, we are setting on point where we don't know. So we are going to resection direct. So that will press 4. So now it's just displaying the file for this point. So you know that what we want to do now is we want to know the height. So that means our tape is important, the measurement is important. So now let's check this so that we can put the height of instruments. So what do we have? 1495. Okay, 1495. So you now come to edit all these things down. That means you need to press inputs. So you come down. We don't need all those ones. Let's just put this one as CP or occupied point. Let's use OC. O then CC. You understand? So you come to the next one again. P code. You can use it as OCC as well. O C then C. You can add 1. You understand? So come to the next one. So what's our height?
It's 1.495.
1.495. So that's the instrument height. Press enter. So now is requesting for our first control that we want to use as orientation. So now you don't set that one for that place up here. So that is, I named that one as TBM2. That is TBM2. So let's put TBM2. We can edit it so that when we want to plot, it will be easy. Come to inputs. That is TBM02. You understand? You press enter. And you don't forget that I always make sure that I bisect before doing anything. So in case if I press enter and the instrument starts its orientation from this side, it's going to give me wrong information. So let me just bisect that target first. Okay. Let me do this one. Okay. So now that we have bisect that one now, so yeah, TBMO2. So press enter. Enter. Okay, so what you're saying is, you know that we have not saved that control. The value is not in the instrument. So that means we need to put the value. So now what we'll do is lists, no data. You see now that it's saying no data. So that means let's go back. Let's go back again. So where do you have this NEZ? Can you see it? So that's where we'll put the data. Oh yeah, let's put the value. You know, it's a new folder. Yeah. If it had been that we are using the older folder, we'll have those coordinates inside. So TBMO2. Yeah, nothing first. Oh yeah. 711 41.989. Enter. 552 455.419. Enter. Oh, we did not extract the height. Okay. Let's use that one as 0. Since we did not extract the height, let's use it as 0. You know that the instrument, the height of that value is different from the height of tracker rod. So let's use it as 0. So press enter. You get. Now it's now requesting for the height. Is it at 1.5? 1.5. 1.8. Okay. 1.8. So press enter. Now it's now requesting for, he wants to do his own calculation now. So you just press this. Once you check your bisect, you are there. So press distance. So it's going to do his own calculation. Why is it taking much time? Okay, let me check the prison. There is a prison now. Escape. So don't take the measurement now. Sure you get. So now is the question for number 2. TBMO2. Do you get it? Okay, this is TBM2. Now let us put TBM1 now. So you first come to NEZ. You know that we don't have the value. So we'll first put the value first. Oh yeah. 711 087 .213 5524 05 .302. That one too, let's put that one as 0 as well. There you get. So that means you need to take it to that place. Okay. So I'll leave the height at 0. Let me leave it at 0. I press enter. The reflector height is still at 1.8. Okay, he wants to change the tracker or the prism to the second control. So he wants to change it to the second control. So let me get ready to observe him over there. He's at the next control. So don't forget, guys, this is what we call resection resection method in surveying. Whenever you want to survey instruments like total station, this is what we call resection method. Is a situation whereby you set on unknown points. You can see this value, there's no point here, you didn't create any point, so you can set anywhere. That's the best method in construction. So you can set on anywhere, you don't need to define a point. Do you understand? So you will now check your orientation with other two known points. The other 2 points must be defined. You must have that value, at least 2, minimum of 2 points. So that's what you do your orientation with. So that's what we are doing now. I want to check the second point, so I already have that value and I've input it on the instrument. So it's there already. So let me do the orientation and check for our difference so that we can continue up with what we want to do. Yeah, so let me show you guys. The prism is there already. Let me show you guys. Can you see? Okay, so I'm set. I'll press enter. The instrument, the prism height is 1.8, so I'll press enter. Then I'll tell the instrument to do its calculation, so I'll press distance. Okay. Yeah, so okay guys, I have 0.005 meter, so that is, I have 5 mm difference. So I have 5 mm difference between the two control. You can see DHD, that is the horizontal distance, and DZ is the height. So I have 0.005 meter, that is 5 mm. So I'm good with that. Okay, Mark. So now I can continue with what I want to do. And if you are going to do your orientation more than 2 points, so you just continue, you observe with more. So here you just press next. Once you are observing with more control, so you just press next. So you take it to the third point that's a known value, so you can do your orientation with 2 or more points. So now I could just tell the instrument to calculate. Now I'll press calculate. So the instrument wants to show me the northern eastern. So this is the value of this point that we have presently. Now can you see? So the instrument has defined the current occupied point value. So this is exactly where we are. You can see. So we are good. So I'll press yes. I'll press yes to save it. Yes. So the value will be saved. Now I can continue with my job. So what I'm going to press next is F3. I'll press 3 for the FS and SS. So that's where I'll continue taking those points and keep saving them on the instrument. So later I will download it, plot them out, and interpret the data and present a valuable stuff for the client, so they will be able to know what exactly the volume of sand that they will need to fill on the site. So that's it guys. I'll press 3. Okay, so the first point, let me make it. Okay, so Mark, what you're going to do for me is okay, since I already have that value, just go to that top, pick that top for me again, anywhere on that concrete, pick there. So you now continue your observation. Okay, so guys, let's go. Let me continue with my job. So okay, let me change the code. Inputs, that will still be at 1.8. Don't change it. So let me change this down to SH, that is spot height. SH1. So I'll press enter. Let me put this at SH. So I'll press enter. So now let me continue with my measurements. So I want to start from there. So that's it guys. So that's how to use the resection method. So I will start doing my observation now, then later I will plot it and interpret what I've done on site to the clients on the drawing, so they will be able to know what's next, and the volume of sand that they will be using to fill the whole external area. So that's it, guys. Yeah, so I'll see you later. Thank you so much for staying through. Thank you so much for staying through. If you have any question, don't forget to put it in the comment section. I will definitely attend to them. So that's it, guys. All right, I'll see you later. Bye.